Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, it is currently 8:29. Kind of late. It's pretty early, but they should be getting dark hella fast and shit, so it feel hella late. But I got my side skirts. I don't know if y'all can see it. No. In the back. I got my side skirts and a lip. I'm on my way to the homie's house. They gonna help me install it and shit. It's raining right now, so I don't know how the fuck we gonna do this shit. Fuck it, guess we gonna thug it out in the rain and shit. But yeah, and it's dark, so shit. Hopefully there's good lighting and everything, so I can get some good clips for y'all and shit. And I'm sick. I don't know if y'all can tell. So I'm about to just head on my way over there, and I'm about to get to y'all. Yo, this gonna be my first time getting a lip or side skirts or anything, and I usually don't get it because I know them bitches. I know them bitches get fucked up. You feel me?
Oh hell no, man!
You gonna fuck it up eventually and shit. I'm just scared to do that because my car's already low. It's like not that low, but my shit be scraping. So my shit fucks up one time, I'm never getting this shit again. Unless it makes it look like a big difference, you feel me? We gonna see. But shit, yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all. Alright, y'all, made it to the spot. Hit a little thanks. That's for the lip. Alright, y'all, I went and drilled it in. This how it's gonna be looking. Something like that. You feel me? But yeah, what's up, right? Oh, damn! Damn! Don't hit that bit. Ooh, hey, this a V8? Oh my mama, that shit sound nice. You only got mufflers? Hold on. Oh shit! That little boy. How much stars is these? 800? Boy, if you don't... Hey, that nigga hella cap. That nigga hella cap. That shit look like though. Look. Hey, close the door. Huh? Close the door so it gets dark. Hold on. Oh yeah, that motherfucking little boy. I would have done the sunroof though. A little red. Yeah, that's the Habibi tune. Alright, y'all. Currently drilling this shit in, so this is not loose, but this is too thick. That shit wouldn't go in, so I need to drill it in a little bit bigger. I drill in this shit. Alright, y'all. I got the front lip in. It's hella late. It's damn near a hurricane right now. So we gonna finish this up tomorrow. The front lip is done. So I'll get better flicks for tomorrow in the daytime. Alright, y'all. It's currently the next day. The lip is done. So y'all see. Real boy. Yeah. I wish I put this shit a little bit more out, but it looked cool like that. Nah, it looked cool. I fuck with it. But right now, we're working on the side skirts and shit. I'm about to drill some holes, probably a little couple, and then drill that bitch into this skirt. It's gonna be like that type shit. Ooh, that's gonna look boy. That's gonna look boy. I don't want it too out though, so I'm gonna try to measure that shit so for a good length. But I got this shit lifted up from down here. Do it a little bit more.
I'ma have to dig you down on some gangster shit.
I'm on the other side, just drilling this shit in. There we go. Okay, that bitch that in there. Yeah, they gave me no washers and shit, so hopefully this motherfucker just don't fall out and shit when I'm driving. I'm gonna be sick. Other one, you gotta make a hole. Type shit. Good fitment, good fitment. This side took me like 5 minutes, and the other side took me like 4 hours. Yeah. Good cuts, y'all. Good cuts. Alright, y'all. Come check out the other side. Okay then. Okay then. I'll say it like that, huh?
Yeah, it should look clean.
See? Alright, y'all. I'm still going to install a little bit more screws. I'll probably do that for tomorrow, though. That's how it's looking. It goes in like from the in, out, and then back in. Yep.
Later that day.
Holy Jesus.
I'm not buying one of these shits again. Look at this shit. This shit.
Oh! He needs some milk. Why are you crying?
Fuck!
Alright, y'all. It's the next day. I'm trying to put this shit back. This is the final results. Or not the results, but you feel me? After that bitch got fucked up. That shit flew on me. Well, it ain't fly off. It just came off in the freeway. And it was scraping and shit. And I didn't really know until later on I heard some. And then I go outside, as y'all seen in the clip. And that shit was just like that. So I'm gonna try to put this shit back on. And I'm gonna like grind this shit out. And then like try to make it, even it out with this shit. You feel me? So it doesn't look like that. And then this shit. But yeah, I'm about to tie this shit hella tight on, and I'm gonna get to y'all, man. Alright, y'all. I'm done putting that motherfucker in. I installed that shit. Moved these two right here, these two screws. Installed that one over there. And then there's little screws like around and shit, like right there. So yeah, I'm about to grind this shit out, try to even it out. So I'll get to y'all.
6 months later.
Alright, y'all. This is what I got so far. I still gotta do this side. But that shit fucking died. So I gotta charge it and shit. Yo. Alright, y'all. This is how that shit came out. Grinded it out. You can tell it's a little bit fucked up from right here, but oh well. You can't really tell unless you really pay attention to it, you feel me? Side skirts. That bitch is already hella dirty and shit.
I know the pain get to you, I ain't tripping, I ain't rushing you. After time come, I'll bust for you. Me and my brothers find cases, is you gon' wait for me? Too many thoughts in my head, I think you need some